A toucan has a maximum lifespan of 20 years. The biggest toucan is the toco, which weighs 2 pounds and can reach a length of 25 inches. Half of their length is made up of their bill, beak. They are among the most well-known birds in the world thanks to their colorful bill. Swans are very large. The trumpeter swan is the largest swan. Swans are life partners. Swans are to be respected. Owls are enigmatic raptors with large eyes and round faces. There are 200 different species of owls in the globe. Many owls have oddly shaped ears. One of the most intellectual bird species is the parrot. Only these birds have the ability to eat with their feet. Over 80 years of age is not uncommon for parrots. Beaks on parrots are powerful. Many parrots have lifelong partners. For more than 3,000 years, parrots have been kept as pets. You are aware of only male peacocks. It takes peacocks years to grow vibrant tail feathers. They serve as India's national bird. Some birds that mimic human speech exist. There are about 60 different eagle species in the globe. They can brag having excellent vision. False albinism occurs in bald eagles. To catch fish, some pelicans dive bomb into the water. 3 gallons or more of water can be stored in a pelican's pouch. A horn grows on the American white pelican. Some of the heaviest flying birds are pelicans. Pelicans may hunt in groups. The pelican family has been around for at least 30 million years. They do not charge for food storage in the pouch. Penguins eat more than just. Two species dive for crabs. A few search in group. A temporary horn grows on the American white pelican. Since their main source of food is seeds, northern cardinals are categorized as granivorous animals. Their narrow, robust, cone-shaped beaks are specialized for cracking open nut and seed shells. Cockatoos are highly sensitive animals. They are birds with Velcro. Oceanic birds include cockatoos. The beaks on cockatoos are interesting. The extinction of 1/3 of all parrot species worldwide. Although hummingbirds are tiny, they move with incredible speed. 50 to 200 flaps per second are made by their wings. This is faster than the speed of any other type of bird, and like most species, it speeds up during courtship. Hummingbirds have a 30 miles per hour straight line speed limit and may dive bomb intruders at a speed of roughly 60 miles per hour. The rufous hummingbird, with a migration of more than 3,000 miles, takes first place in the distance race. The largest variety of parrots are these. They have a lifespan of at least 80 years. They are capable of swift flight at up to 56 kilometers per hour. Seabirds exclusively consume seawater, but due to desalination glands on their heads that remove salt from the water, they never get sick. In Asia, cormorants have been taught for fishing for more than 1,300 years. Only little fish are consumed because a trap is tied at the base of the fish's neck. Puffins only have one child a year and have lifelong partnerships. A variety of gulls include kittiwakes. Utah's official bird is a seagull, despite the state's distance from any coastlines. In The Rescuers, a Disney film, an albatross functioned as the aeroplane. Ducks are also referred to as waterfowl, since they typically inhabit wet environments like ponds, streams, and rivers. Depending on the species and if they are properly cared for, ducks can live for up to 20 years. The amount of daylight has an impact on egg production. The ducks will lay more eggs when there is more daylight. To stay warm and dry, these talented swimmers have impermeable feathers with a waxy covering that shields an inner layer of down. Their feet feature blood veins that are close together so they don't lose heat, which allows them to swim in cold water without getting a chill. Some kinds of ducks may dive as deep as 240 feet, while others can fly as high as 21,000 feet, although most migrate at heights of 200 to 4,000 feet.
Thanks for watching our video. Kindly subscribe our channel.